In this episode, you'll learn about recording remotely, recording somebody in another location, not yours. Recording remotely for now will become part of your day, so here's the most important show you will ever see, ever, anywhere. Whether you're an engineer, videographer, photographer, or voice artist, the landscape of recording is changing exceptionally quickly. I've been recording remotely for years, and this is the simplest and most stable workflow that I've come across. There are a few systems that allow you to record remotely, some really expensive and some well-intentioned. I'm going to suggest SessionLinkPro for its absolute simplicity. Nothing too complicated, and it works. Unlike some really expensive systems that I could mention. I've used SessionLinkPro for years with little or no pain. How it works is, you select the type of session you want, send your artist a link, then open it in their browser, and you have their microphone in your computer. Simple. There are three types of sessions: record, video, or conference. Record is straight recording to your hard drive or DAW. Though recording to your DAW is a little bit of a setup, but we'll look at that shortly. When you select the recording option, you log into your account, and then on the web page you can select your mic input and output. You can see your levels and the quality of the recording you want. The next thing to look at is Create Session Link. This is the link that you send to your artist or your buddy that you want to record. In the record option, you can send the link to two people and record them both in dual mono if you wish. Or you could have the artist being recorded and the director listening in. When you send the link, the artist joins the session and they'll show up in the panel on the right-hand side of the screen. Click and drag their names to the remote user field and you're ready to go. Finally, when you click on record, you can get options of what you want to record: remotely, locally, or remotely and locally. The local option is brilliantly handy for recording a two-hander or something like a podcast with two guests. Another brilliant feature is the video option. You need to open another tab in your browser and select a video session from the main page. You can now see your artist and send them your webcam, or project picture by selecting screen share, maybe for a bit of ADR. It's absolutely brilliant. When the recording is over, then the browser drops a WAV into your downloads folder. Absolute simplicity. If you want to get your signal into a DAW, then the wiring is a little more complicated. I've used the input and the output of my Mac to route my program material to the artist via a send output of 3 and 4 on my interface, and brought the artist signal from an optical feed from my Mac to the SPDIF input on my interface. It may take a bit of experimenting for your system, but the results can be great. Even if you can record a reference into your DAW, then you have the full quality version in your downloads folder, straight to import. There are two other options for you on the SessionLinkPro front page. The first is video. Video allows you to watch each other's video in a private room, perfect for videographers or editors signing off on an edit with a director or a client. The second is a conference room, where you can have up to 4 people discussing the matters of the day with video and audio. All these services have encryption on all communications. SessionLinkPro may not be for everybody, but it's suited perfectly to a large number of professionals around the world. They offer a suite of services that are simple to use and at a really affordable price. Now that you have your tools to record anyone from anywhere in the world, the next thing to consider is the person on the other end of the line. They may not be used to such a setup, and they may never have recorded themselves before at home. You may need to be able to direct your artist to the best possible place for the best possible sound from the location that they're in. They might love the sound of their voice in a bathroom, but you and I know that is not where we get the best results. if you don't have a big-time engineer in some fancy studio, you may need to do a bit of cleaning of the newly recorded audio yourself. You should look at some cleanup plugins to help you. Izotope RX is an exceptionally good suite of cleanup software. It ships as a standalone application or suite of plugins. They are more expensive, but you do get what you pay for. Well worth the investment if you do a lot of audio cleanup. Another suite that I'd like to mention is the Era bundle from Acoustic. They sell the complete bundle, or you can buy individual plugins as you go. They are very, very good, especially at the price. I'm Keith Alexander and you've been watching Adorama TV. Don't forget to subscribe to Adorama TV for more great videos and tell us what you think. You can like, you can comment, or you can share this video. And please come by the Adorama Learning Centre for more great tips and tricks.